Here 2 point charges q1 equal to q2 equal to 2 microcoulomb are fixed at that x1 equal to plus 3 meter and x2 equal to minus 3 meter. As shown in the figure, a third particle of mass 1 gram and charge q3 equal to minus 4 microcoulomb is released from rest at y equal to 4 meter. The speed of the particle as it reaches the origin is. So this problem is to be attempted by applying the law of conservation of energy. So when the particle of mass 1 gram which is placed at y equal to 4 meter is released with zero initial velocity, the entire energy of the system is potential, and when it crosses the origin which is O, the midpoint of the line joining BC, B and C, the line BC, then the energy will be potential, both potential and kinetic. So sum of the initial energy should be equal to the sum of the final energy. That is what we are going to do here. So let us write down the conservation of energy, that is total energy initial should be equal to total energy final. Now let us write the total energy of the system. See, initially the particle was released from A at rest, so its initial kinetic energy is 0. So initially the entire energy of the system is potential. So let us write 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. System means charges q1, q2 and q3. So this is q1, q2 divided by r12 plus q1, q3 divided by r13 plus q2, q3 divided by r13 plus 0, because there is no kinetic energy to begin with. This is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 by r12 dash plus q2 q3 divided by see, there is no change in the distance between B and C, which are our q1 and q2. So this can be only r12, not r12 dash. This is r12 itself, but the distance to q3 from the other two charges changes. Therefore this is r23 dash plus q1 q3 divided by r13 dash plus kinetic energy of the particle of mass 1 gram, half mv square. So this is going to be our equation for solving this problem. Now let us substitute and simplify. So let us now substitute and simplify. So this is equal to 9 into 10 raised to 9 into, so this is 9 into 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 is 9 into 10 raised to 9 into, see, 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 by r12 is the same on either side of the equation, so that term get cancelled. So this will be q1 q3 by r13. What is q1, how much is q1 and q3? 2 and minus 4. So this is equal to 2 into minus 4 divided by how much is r12. R12 is, according to the diagram, r12 is 5. Let us look at the diagram. So see, r12, this distance is r12, which is BAAB, and that is equal to 5 meter. Similarly, AC is also equal to 5 meter. So this is equal to 5. R12 is 5 plus again q2 q3, which is also 2 into minus 4 divided by r13 is also 5. This is equal to 9 into 10 raised to 9 into again 2 into minus 4 divided by, now how much is r12, not how much is, this is, now we have got this term, first term got cancelled. So this is q2 q3, and q2 q3 is 2 into minus 4. This is equal to, what is the distance, how much is the distance from charge q2 to q3? That distance is 3 meter. Similarly, q1 q3 is also 3 meter. Therefore let us substitute it here. This is equal to 2 into minus 4 divided by 3 plus again 2 into minus 4 divided by 3 plus half into 1 gram into 10 raised to minus 3 1 gram is 10 raised to minus 3 kilogram into V square. Half mv square. So this is equal to half into 1 into 10 raised to minus 3 into V square. So now let us simplify this. Upon simplification, this will give you. So this is equal to 9 into 10 raised to 9 into the left hand side will be minus 16 by 5. This is minus 8, 2 into minus 8 by 5, which is minus 16 by 5. This is equal to 9 into 10 raised to 9 into, this is minus 4 by 3, minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3, which is minus 4 by 3 into, this is equal to, sorry, this is minus 8 by 3 into plus minus 8 by 3, which is minus 16 by 3, plus half into 10 raised to minus 3 into V square. So this will be, upon simplification, we will get this V as 6.2 meter per second. So that is our final answer. Velocity is 6.2 meter per second. This